Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best air conditioner for small rooms or apartments in 2025? In this video, we break down the top 5 best window air conditioners for smart features, compact size, or simple mechanical controls. These ACs are perfect for bedrooms, dorms, and office spaces. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the LG Window Air Conditioner, model LW8024RD. The LG Window Air Conditioner, model LW8024RD, is a reliable cooling solution designed for comfort and convenience, especially in medium-sized rooms up to 350 sq ft, such as bedrooms or living areas. One of its standout features is low noise performance, operating as quietly as 53 dB in low mode, ideal for undisturbed sleep or work. It offers multiple fan speeds and an auto-cool mode, allowing users to personalize their cooling experience. The electronic controls and remote make operation intuitive and user-friendly, while the auto restart function ensures the unit resumes operation automatically after a power outage. On the downside, it may not be suitable for larger spaces, and installation may require effort for those unfamiliar with window units. Overall, it's a solid choice for quiet, customizable cooling with practical smart features. Coming in at number 4 is the Midea 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. The Midea 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner is an excellent budget-friendly option for smaller rooms up to 150 sq ft, offering reliable performance with an energy-efficient SEER rating of 11.0 to help cut down on electricity bills. It features 7 temperature settings, 2 cooling and fan speeds, and 2-way air direction for flexible targeted airflow. The mechanical button controls are straightforward and easy to use, while its quiet operation, quieter than a typical refrigerator, makes it perfect for bedrooms or offices. Installation is simple with included hardware and fits window sizes 23 at 36 wide. It also comes with a removable, washable air filter for easy maintenance. On the downside, it lacks a remote control and digital display. But for basic, quiet cooling at an affordable price, this Midea unit is a smart and efficient choice. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Window Air Conditioner. The Amazon Basics Window Air Conditioner is a compact and reliable cooling solution, perfect for smaller spaces like dorm rooms, RVs, or compact apartments. Designed to fit standard windows ranging from 13x 23 inches to 13x 36 inches, its sleek and minimal design blends well with any interior. This unit offers 7 temperature settings, along with dual cooling and fan modes, allowing for a customizable comfort experience. It includes an easy-to-remove, washable filter that helps keep the air fresh while minimizing maintenance hassle. The unit also comes with a window mounting kit featuring adjustable side panels for a secure and straightforward installation. While it lacks advanced features like remote control or digital display, it delivers solid performance and ease of use, making it a great budget option for efficient, no-frills cooling in small spaces. Taking the number 2 spot is the Frigidaire Window-Mounted Air Conditioner. The Frigidaire Window-Mounted Air Conditioner is a powerful and energy-efficient cooling solution, perfect for small bedrooms or rooms up to 150 sq ft. It runs on 115V and 450W, delivering effective cooling with effortless temperature control and 2 fan speeds for personalized comfort. Operating at just 52 dBA, it ensures a quiet environment ideal for sleep or work. The washable filter captures dust and keeps the unit running efficiently, while adjustable side panels allow it to fit various window sizes with ease. It also includes a long 3-prong power cord, reducing the need for extension cords. Though it lacks a remote or digital display, its simple controls and quiet performance make it a great choice for reliable, no-fuss cooling. Frigidaire's trusted quality makes this unit a dependable companion for hot and humid days. And finally, our number one pick is the GE 5000 BTU Mechanical Window Air Conditioner. The GE 5000 BTU Mechanical Window Air Conditioner is a compact and efficient cooling solution, ideal for small rooms up to 150 SKU/ft. Whether you're cooling a bedroom, guest room, or home office, this unit delivers reliable performance with 2 cooling modes, 2 fan speeds, and 10 temperature settings for flexible, personalized comfort. Designed for low-noise operation, it's perfect for nighttime use, keeping your space cool without disrupting sleep or productivity. The easy mount installation kit and fixed chassis make setup simple for double-hung windows, ranging from 27 125 to 36 wide. While it uses mechanical controls instead of digital features or a remote, its straightforward design ensures ease of use and dependable cooling. Overall, this GE unit offers solid value and performance for those seeking no-fuss air conditioning in smaller living spaces. And there you have it, the top 5 best air conditioners. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.